bo kamo rena rinse rita tabela wena risapila hamonati kapabalo. iBhayibheli, let's take it as just any book, any author. You understand? And then you make a decision as into uma ngilifunda, am I willing to believe lo muntu ekubhalwe ngaye la or lo muntu ekukhulunywa ngaye lana. The stories and every miracle eyenzakalayo, it's a choice that I personally make ukuthi I want to believe in it. And once ngithi le ncwadi ekuyiBhayibheli ngizokholelwa kuyona, automatically it will work for me because I have implemented my faith kuyona and I have decided to believe unto the promises of this author. So when it comes to Bible reading as well, and in whatever, whether I am preaching or doing whatever, and refer back to the Bible, kusho ukuthi I have decided to believe lento khulunywa ngale ndoda. Lo yena umlungu le ndoda le. Ngiyayithanda ke le topic emakhandlela. Uma uthi some candles are bad, let me tell you one thing. Phathanani. Usuke waye esitolo wena already nizamsemakuleni, mawufika eshelfini kuthiwe for killing, for witchcraft, for keep isisu, for ukuvala isipho saka Mercedes, for ikhona lapha emashelfini.
No.
Akubhalwa ama price lapha.
It's prizes.
Ama price angithi?
Yeah.
Lama price la ngaphansi kubhalwe ukuthi for ukuvala.
No.
Right. Great, we're doing good now. Into engizama ukuyisho kona ukuthi akuna khandlela elibi, akuna khandlela elihle. Uyangizwa kahle Phathanani? Because ikhandlela for ukuthi li implement ububi or li implement ubuhle, the implementation comes from the heart. Hayi from ikhandlela lihleze stone. Kune biggest problem that we are facing with fasting. Ne, biggest problem that we are facing with fasting, people only fast because bafuna ukuthi izinto zenzeke. People do not realize ukuthi ukulalelwa kuyafastelwa. Sometimes Phathanani ungakhulekeli imoto, ungafasteli imoto, ungakhulekeli imali because mhlambi ukhulumela imali nemoto kanti ilizwi lakho alizwakali to the spiritual realm. Because you are blocked because of certain energies that are within you. So sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi ngathi umuntu angafastela ukulalelwa bese azwe like okay fine angidlula. Anything that has got to do with isithunywa okokuqala ukuhlanzeka. Uyangizwa Phathanani? Ukuhlanzeka kwenhliziyo. Probably I need to actually explain again. Sikhuluma ngani mase ukuhlanzeka? Angikhulumi ngesipika esimhlophe nangebhadla zakho osigcokayo zikamoya. Ngikhuluma ngenhliziyo ophethe nenhlizweni yakho. You can say nginesithunywa but uma uzonda unamanga, cacisa kahle nginesithunywa sobumnyama. Because isithunywa sokukhanya asizondi. Isithunywa sokukhanya stays away from anything that is negative. Awukwazi ukufeka uthakathe uthi nginesithunywa sokukhanya. Unaso kodwa asikhanyanga for as long as ukwazi ukuhleba ngabanye abantu. For as long as ungakwazi uqola, for as long as uqhubeka wenza ukube empilweni yakho. I don't know what negativity you might be doing. Applying ukuthi ubulala abanye abantu kunamathuna ayingaki ngegama lakho. While uhlezi kwititle ukuthi nginesithunywa ufaka amajazi wakho konkamoya but umsebenzi wakho kahle kahle ukuthi uhamba nesithunywa sobumnyama. So kunesithunywa sokukhanya, kunesithunywa sobumnyama.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Phathanani Mbatha. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. And of course, my name is Phathanani. I am your chef, not just a chef, darling. I am the chef of the nation. And let me tell you what's nice about me, darling. I cook content. I mix all the spices, all the herbs. If there's something missing in my pot, I don't give people that food because it needs to be redo it. So, darlings, of course, I have you. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy.
I am so happy to be back as well.
This is home.
Ngiyabonga.
And the home is where the heart
The heart
belongs.
belongs. It's like-
Oh my goodness. You know what? Before you can introduce yourself, because you are growing every day and whatnot. You know, I love when you sing. Sivula inkonzo ke my munchies. Not long, just something short, sweet, something ezovusa umbukeli lapha ekhaya avuke nami ngivuke ngithi bayibuza. Over to you.
Ria hubo kamu rena rinse rita tabela wena risapila hamunati kapabalo dad. Excuse my voice, give a flu.
It's okay. That was beautiful.
Thank you so
and the man
much.
said ngene emoyeni when I was stop. Hey,
Ngiyabonisa.
kodwa umona. But anyway, please introduce. Anyway, how you coming back? Please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? And what's special about you, darlings?
Kgotso Marato Baratile, lebitso la ka ke Lady Arch, Qoleskei, ke tswa ko Atteridgeville, Pretoria. Ke romilwe. That is what's special about me. Because if I were to explain certain titles, kuzoba nenkinga. Some certain tags angikwazi ukukhuluma ngazo. Allow me to say ngithunyiwe. Ngavuma.
Wow.
And that is why I am here.
Wow.
I am a light worker, sisebenzela ukhaya. Ngijabulela ukubuya futhi la ekhaya.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Wow, that was beautiful.
Thank you.
Light worker, Lady
Yes.
Arch. Why Lady Arch?
Why Lady Arch or why light worker?
Both. You start with and
I'm a light worker, umsebenzi wokukhanya or isebenzele sebenza ngokukhanya. Remember, as much as we are working, kunama vacancies are different. Uma sebenza, ama posts awafani, ama offices awafani. But sonke siyasebenza, hence we've got an issue ukuthi kawufela rena le moya but risebenzisa moya ufike. Ngisebenzela umoya wokukhanya. Futhi angisaba ukusho lokho, as much as somebody would be saying esebenzela umoya obumnyama but asifihle ngokukhanya. So I'm a light worker. It means ukuthi whatever it is that I'm doing, it has to be of light. Whatever it is that I touch or whatever it is that engiyenzayo kumele ukuthi kube yokukhanya, because I work for the light. Nje kanjalo.
so makufika umuntu osebenza ngobumnyama kuwena azofuna usizo, you can't help them.
Makafuna ukuthi ngimsize kusho ukuthi uzobe sekafuna ukukhanya, because you cannot be coming to me wanting ukuthi ngikwenzele kube mnyama, knowing exactly ukuthi I work with light. So when you are coming, it means it's time that you are turning away from your ways as well. You actually want to experience ukukhanya ukuthi into enjani. So I can assist you gore lesedile go chabele. But I cannot assist you to further along your journey of darkness. It will not connect with me. Into kamoya phela into connectayo. So it will not connect with me, no matter ukuthi ngihlanganisela amanzi bese ngikukhulekisele, it will not connect because I connect with light.
Wow.
So for unless ukuthi you want to be within the light, singasizana mina na.
That's beautiful. Lady Arch.
Thank you.
Why Lady Arch? You did say, where is that coming from?
I went my title in
Powers, ubani kumele afike lapho, like I want to understand.
And he found a Spirit and Word Aligned Ministries.
Okay.
Co-founder together with Medimpo, and as an archbishop or as a founder. That is how you actually get titled as a founder and a leader within a certain ministry as well, because kuna title ahlukahlukene. Noma ngihlele ngisho ukuthi awabalekanga. Kahle kahle mawuthanda noma ungavela uthi xolila kimi, umoya uzosoloku uphila because awususwa ititle engiyithwele.
No, but remember, your title is yours. It was given to you respectfully so. And me or whoever, we need to respect that. That's why we've got doctors coming to academic, the PhD ones. We need to respect them. They earn that. They didn't buy it. You get what I'm saying? So you deserve that. And congratulations.
Thank you.
And of course, I'll call you Kolige. Back to business.
Next time.
Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Thank you so much for coming. My munchies and thoughts. Usichazile ukuthi ubani ubuyapi. And of course, Nyamazi, she is the munchie. She is back at home. It's always nice to be home. It's always nice to be with your family, especially me, because you guys, you're not just guests. You are my family, because you come here, you honor the invitation, you come and educate, and even myself, I'm learning a lot from you guys. You know, I'm reading my second book, and there are some part where I talk about the journey with you guys, and you know. So I just want to say thank you so much. It really means a lot to me, not only me and the Munchies that are watching us at home. It's a new season, season 20, 6 years of Munchies and Thoughts, and we are still growing. And let me tell you something, I always say, I didn't buy Munchies and Thoughts. It was a gift and the vision that came. And I remember when I decided, I said to myself, which risks I'm willing to take and not willing to take? Which opportunities I'm willing to take and not willing to take? And of course, I did get the answers. And I want to say thank you so much, Mekoli. But anyway, Mekoli, you work a lot to usebenza kakhulu ngeBhayibheli. Right. Uzobe nama Bible reading, if I'm not mistaken. Ngizocela ukuthi ungifundise and the Munchies ukuze ufike lapho ukuthi you know what, I'm doing a Bible reading now, kumele siread iBhayibheli now, this and this. Sifika njani lapho?
Indaba yeBhayibheli inabile, right? But ngizozama ukuthi ngibuyisele ngespeed.
No problem. And before uzoyibuyisela ngespeed, you know why I'm asking this question? Sihlale sizwe ukuthi iBhayibheli akusile lethu.
Right. Correct. Ngihlala ngizwa leyo nto leyo, but mhlambe ngiqale kule nto qedwe ukusho ukuthi iBhayibheli akusilona lethu before I go into the reading as well. Akusilona lethu, it's fine. And there are certain things that do not belong to us as well, but we are still doing. You know why? Because good is doses gainayo. iBhayibheli, let's take it as just any book, any author. You understand? And then you make a decision as into uma ngilifunda, am I willing to believe lo muntu ekubhalwe ngaye la or lo muntu ekukhulunywa ngaye lana? The stories and every miracle eyenzakalayo, it's a choice that I personally make ukuthi I want to believe in it. And once ngithi le ncwadi ekuyiBhayibheli ngizokholelwa kuyona, automatically it will work for me because I have implemented my faith kuyona and I have decided to believe unto the promises of this author. So when it comes to Bible reading as well, and in whatever, whether I am preaching or doing whatever, and refer back to the Bible, kusho ukuthi I have decided to believe lento khulunywa ngale ndoda lo yena umlungu le ndoda le. I made a choice personally to actually believe in that. So I would always tell people ukuthi, I'm sorry ukuthi if ngiyastray kancane, I would always tell people ukuthi uma kuthiwa yiBhayibheli labelungu, it does not work for you, Patanan. Find something that works for you. It works for her. Each and every one of us needs a tool to be able to fix life as we move on. So if it's not the Bible, find something else that works for you. It's something that works for you. Do you get that? No matter believe kule TV, it's something that works for you. Yazenza lento leyo yenza ukuthi si avoid ukuthi uma ngibuka wena ngikuquestion ngale nto oyifundayo. But nginake lento engikholelwa kuyona and make sure it works for me. Because you could be questioning me ngeBhayibheli, but I am putting all my energy within the Bible so that whatever engikholelwa la ingisebenzele. Right? When we go to Bible reading, yes, the Bible, it's not only about the messages that you read from the Bible. I always tell people ukuthi uma ufunda ama-verse are very raw. They don't make sense at certain times. If awuna moya, iBhayibheli lifundwa umuntu onomoya oyingcwele. Mangithi if awuna moya ngisho ukuthi mina if awuprofeti uphethe iphayiphayi. A Bible reader is supposed to be somebody that is spiritually aligned. Because ngingafunda la ukuthi uJosepha wabetray abafowabo. But when I interpret it, I could say something different.
Okay.
Njani, because the Spirit spoke through the scripture that I read. But uma ungenama uzothi so shumela or mhlambe uinterpreta into engekho or giving us this is just raw. For it to live and be able to heal me or ibe pheko for you utlile uli client yakhe. Kitlamile kibe le moya. and be able to identify and interpret Joseph in your situation, and be able to interpret kubo emabalabala, and be able to interpret a waterless pit in your life. But from the Bible, it came as raw as it is. But what gives me the strength? I have chosen to believe kule author ebhalile ncwadi, whether umlungu or India, it works for me.
Wow.
It's a tool that I'm actually using, and it works for me. Remember, if you're using something that works for you, uma nespanner nesicima, une spanner ne toolbox angithi.
Yes.
You understand? If alukuthi kanye, if una uspanner ban, or uphethe ku toolbox yakho. Uphethe ivangeli lakaXoli ozothi makwenzeka something wrong in your life, blame uXoli. No, tell us, what do you have? Yes, uXoli ufunda iBhayibheli, what do you do? Isebenza njani kuwena? How far are you with it? Cha uXoli, tell me about you. Tell me how far you are. Ungangitshela ukuthi uhlezi la busy pointing fingers ukuthi leya kalo ayisebenzi. Ukhethe ini wena that is a tool for your life. Nobody is forcing anyone to read the Bible. Nobody is forcing anyone ukuthi alahlela amathambo. Amathambo are also tools. You need to believe and implement energy. Card reading is also a tool. You need to believe and implement energy. Ubuthakathi is also a tool. You need to believe and implement energy. What then works for you as a person? I believed ukuthi mina, this author here, ngizomkhola whether umlungu or ishangani or umtsonga or uYindia, because I have experienced and ginama encounter. Kune verse elinye eBhayibheli lithi uma une encounter une testimony. And nobody can turn you away from that. Because if uzofuna ukuthi ngifakaze ngento engingayazi, I cannot. But ask me about this person, ngimzamile, ngamtesta, waphasa in my life. Then angiyisi indawo le ndoda because yangisebenzela.
So now, okay, I heard about the Bible reading. What I want to understand now, I'm coming to a candle. We've got people who will tell you about candle reading. I don't know if you do that as well.
That.
And then now I was talking about the Bible reading, and you did explain, which that was very beautiful. Now, where is the difference between the Bible reading and the candle reading? If you can assist me on that one, and also please explain the candle reading as well. How does it work?
Okay. Esibenza kamoya ne kunento A1 ezokumela ukuthi ifane sonke isikhathi. Also, when we are going to candle reading, it's on I cannot read it physically. But whatever it is that I will see from this flame, from Lentamo, from this works, and from everything else, if I am not pure, if I'm not connecting to the right spirit, if I'm not connecting to Ingelozi, there is no way I'll be able to interpret lomlilo ohlezilana. I always say ukuphatha umoya sikubiza ukuthi ukuhlanya. Ubona izinto ezingaboniwa ngithi ukhuluma nabantu abangabonwa. Ukhuluma wedwa. So kumele ukuthi vele uhlanye. Uma uhlanya it means ukuthi you have to be in spirit for you to be able to phathana noma ngibukala. Mina ngibona isiphika sakho esiyelo esinomnqamulo ezobovu. You understand? It isn't showing here. But umoya ukhona ukinterpret. Do you understand that? So that is one thing in common that you all just need to have good. When I'm reading the candle, I'm not going to say, I am reading works, I am reading the flame, I am reading the bottle outside. If today I have to read e-works or I have to read the flame, I will be led by the Spirit. I don't just pick up a candle and say, and then if and I allow the Spirit to interpret on my behalf. And candle reading, go through consultation. I have done it several times where I would be speaking over whatever it is. Let's lead us straight into consultation because it gets deeper into. To your great grandparents.
So the candles, the one Mauzo reader, or if umuntu ezozanayo, do you tell them, or I can just decide to go and buy the candle and come with it?
Anyhow it works.
You know why I'm asking that? Because I heard with some candles they've got bad and some they are good and what.
Or bad as in
like the colors.
Bad in which
I
way?
heard that.
Sorry.
Like I heard about red. Which red is for ugulwa? What? So that's what I want to understand. And I heard to tell you blue. I think lemons. Like I've heard so many things about candles.
I'm saying, I love that. Ngiyayithanda ke le topic yemakhandlela. Uma uthi some candles are bad, let me tell you one thing. Phathanani. Usuke waye esitolo wena already nizamsemakuleni, mawufika eshelfini kuthiwe for killing, for witchcraft, for keep isisu, for ukuvala isipho saka Mercedes, for ikhona lapha emashelfini.
No.
Akubhalwa ama price lapha.
It's prices.
Ama price angithi?
Yeah.
Lama price la ngaphansi kubhalwe ukuthi for ukuvala.
No.
Right. Great, we're doing good now. Into engizama ukuyisho kona ukuthi akuna khandlela elibi, akuna khandlela elihle. Uyangizwa kahle phathanani? Because ikhandlela for ukuthi li implement ububi or li implement ubuhle, the implementation comes from the heart. Hayi from ikhandlela lihleze esitolo. La. If le khandlela libovu belibulala, bengizokuthenga esitolo ngithi ngikuthengela ukuthi uyophilisa lala lithi don't buy me Xoli. I'm for killing. You are buying me for light. Don't buy me. Why can't I limnyama lingasho ukuthi ungangithengi wena? You work for light. Why can't I limnyama mangilithatha ngilikhanyisa ngithi moya ohalela ngihlo ebe uhle why lingathi cha angibizwa mina for ubungcwele? Why lingasho ikhandlela? Why lingali? Why ikhandlela limhlophe mangilithatha ngithi ngifuna ukubulala ugogo Mercedes? Lingali lithi I'm for light. Because all candles are waiting for energy that comes from our hearts.
Wow.
Umsamo wekhandlela uqala enhlizweni.
Wow.
Ulayita ngomechisi wena la.
Yes.
Angithi am I right?
You're right.
Ulayita ngomechisi, but ikhandlela likhanyiswa ngomechisi. Likhanyiswa ngomoya. Angazi ungizwa kahle na.
I hear you very well.
For this to connect to the spiritual realm, it's not because usebenzisa umechisi wasesitolo. It's because while you are using umechisi wasesitolo, bekukhanya umsamo wangaphakathi. Phathanani, you can't be lighting this candle and say ufuna ukukhanya but inhliziyo yakho ibamba amaqhubu kanje. Uyazonda, uyathakathwa, wenza konke okubi, and then ukhanyisa ngani la? Ukhanyisa ngomechisi, yes. But ngokama uthi ukuthi kuyokhanya ini because umsamo wala uvutha intuthu. Kumnyama la kushile. It means ukuthi noma ungabakhanyisa be-7 ngeke enze any difference within the spiritual realm because you are not connecting. Asikhanyisi ngomechisi, sikhanyisa ngomoya. Let me come back to this. There is this basic allow me to say method, right? Uplu akabo baba ngenze example, right?
Just do you. This is your episode, darling.
I'm just giving examples. Red wokubulala, black wokubulala, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That could have been used by Uxoli 11 years ago. Wangena ku Google or wabuzwa uzukhanye something empilweni yakhe, wa advise uzukhanye, wayithatha uzukhanye ukuthi vele ublue wasemanzini, and everybody is now using a process and encounter kaXoli 12 years ago. Wena abantu bakini mabefika kuwena bakutshela ngoblue abafuna ukuya emanzini because uXoli bangabe bamtshela ngoblue abafuna ukuya emanzini. Agithi but kungenzeka ukuthi abakho bangakuthubela emanzini but bathi ya ngo red. Uthi ngisaba ukumsebenzisa ukuthi wabulala ubani because you are speaking of an encounter oyibone ku Google na ku TikTok and whatever it is. So in a nutshell, I'm trying to say it's not the color that will change your life. It's the energy that you implement. Why pattern am I saying this? Omunye umuntu khona ukungiqeda angibulale using a white candle. Lesibalekela kuyona sithi right. Athakatha aqede futhi. Afake lesipike simhlophe. It's not the color. It's the energy that they implemented. I can take the red lot uyayisaba wena. Ngihlanganise no black and say I speak life and prosperity. Kuvele kuvuleke. It's not the color but the energy. Lo msamo khanyela wakhanyisa ku black waba nempumelelo because it's not only the color but it's the energy. You know why ukuthi sometimes we would say buy 7 candles, buy all the colors, do this and that. I tell umntwana abantu because desperate. Ngifuna umsebenzini kuvuleke 1 2 3 4 kungavuleki. Yazi why uthembele kumakhandlela awu7. Uthembele entweni yokuthi uma elibovu lifaka amanaliti and then uhlanganisele lemnyama izitha ziyohlangana kanti mhlambi ingelosi zakho zizosebenza ngezitha uma ungasebenzisa orange. But you used black because it's the normal standard used and procedures used. But spirituality is not uniform. Uma uhlasela ngo black wena who said nakibi ngahlasela ngayo? What did your spirit tell you? Uthena umoya wakho kuwe ngekhandlela liphi? ngiyabahlonipha abantu abasebenzisa amakhandlela in different forms. Nami as a mentor, I'm able to say, pathanani ezingane yami kamoya ngicela ukuthi for this and that to happen, ngiboniswe white or ngiboniswe blue. We can use that, but it also starts acting pathanani, what did you see? You understand? Pathanani ngabona red, usebenza ngebloodline yakibo. Uzukhanya bona ured khuluma nge-love life yakhe. Ngibona ured ekhuluma ngesithunywa sentaba. Somebody else abona ured ukhuluma ngesithunywa sasemanzini. Iyafana le color, but it speaks differently to all of us. Let me not copy your meaning and purpose ebuye ekhandleni elibovu. Let me get my own. Kuthiweni kimi ngekhandleni elibovu.
Wow, my munchies, I hope you are still enjoying the episode. And of course, I just learned something. Energy. You know, I do MC some events and corporate. And when I open, I would like to my whatever. It's all about energy. So please take that in mind this evening or this afternoon or this morning, energy. And you know what? I'll run the events beautifully so. Amen. Because of energy. And I'm loving it when you said candles, you can use any candle. It's all about energy and nomsamo wakho okuyinhliziyo yakho.
Lala phathana na utshele kwaba nesikhathi la beyitolo abakhuluma isilungu bavala khona. Amakhandlela angabikho. Energy is always with you, right?
Wow.
So umikhandlela le yokuhluleka ukuthi uconnect yona nengelo sakho. Umikhandlela lesitolo bathi liphelile. Awukwazi ukukhuleka. Whatever it is that you need to do, ayikho esitolo awukwazi ukukhuleka. That's why when I say when we go back to energy, kusho ukuthi noma ngingagijima la estradini ngikubolt or ngisemotweni yami, ngeke ngize ngihluleke mina ukukhuluma nengelosi yami. Ngithi imani qala bafethu kuvaliwe la esitolo sesiyokhuleka kusasa. Afika umuntu egula la ehamba ngamadolo ngithi anginamakhandlela izani kusasa. Lo umsaba ngithi unamakhandlela. Angithi umlilo uyavutha la. Let me use my inner energy. Mina ukuthi nginangelinye ilanga if amakhandlela angaphela because of energy I can implement anything.
Wow, thank you so. Lomlilo uvutha ngaphakathi, the song, love song. Lomlilo uvutha ngaphakathi.
Oh, you're a good singer. Not too bad.
I think my next intro, Zukani, I need to sing. Man. What's your thought? Oh yes, I'm definitely gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that. That will be nice. And of course, now thank you so much. Is there anything you wanna add on candles before I move?
Unless you have any other questions.
No, I'm fine. Fasting. Mama mfundis awungitshele ngefasting because siya fast. Basically, what I want to know, the dangers and bad of fasting, not understanding it. And you can just go further now. Explain to me what is exactly fasting and that's why I'm a fasting.
I'm a fasting akhona and maningi and ahlukana in different ways, and we are fasting because we kumele ukuthi sibe nama reasons are different. For fast. Siyazi ukufast abafethu sonke ukuthi ukuzincisha ukudla ngithi ukuzincisha ubumnandi ukuzincisha your flesh desires is to be within a space where you're just speaking to God and all whoever that you believe ukuthi uma usukhulekile during that time izinto zakho zizophenduleka, right? Kune biggest problem that you are facing with fasting. Ne biggest problem that you are facing with fasting, people only fast because bafuna ukuthi izinto zenzeke. People do not realize ukuthi ukulalelwa kuyafastelwa. Sometimes patana ungakhulekeli imoto, ungafasteli imoto, ungakhulekeli imali because mhlambi ukhulumela imali nemoto kanti ilizwi lakho alizwakali to the spiritual realm. Because you are blocked because of certain energies that are within you. So sometimes keze ukuthi ngathi umuntu angafastela ukulalelwa bese azwe like okay fine angidlule lapha.
No, I love that. All you done.
I'm not done.
No, Kubega. This is your show.
Okay.
I'm here to drive you.
To drive me, right?
Yes.
So engathi singafundi ukuthi these smallest things and issues that we think ukuthi azibalekanga because uma uzofastela umshado uyazwakala yini emoyeni? Are you recognized emoyeni na? Ngoba uzofika sowucela ngithi. But uyazi ukuthi ubani wena? Ilizwi lakho malikhuluma layibambi authority. Na uma usifune kahle uma uyofasta even us la sitshela ukuthi siyazi But there are times when we pray ukuthi sicela ukuthi ilizwi lam lizwakale, umkhuleko wami uzwakale, sifastela ukulalelwa. Just that. Because once we get that door open, then it means we are then able to request. Because kunendlebe enzenjani elalele. That is why people would fast is those bad babe in danger because you are just wasting your time. Ulalele ubani. Because your spirit is not connecting. Do you understand? There are so many dangers to fasting because we must fast at the first.
No problem.
Right? It is very good for a spiritual child to go through a spiritual diet. Hence, as I said, Nami as a mentor, there would be a diet that I would suggest. Why am I saying this? Because firstly, even for medical reasons, KFC and we get certain issues with heartburn. Because of amafutha and spices are different things. So we are trying to actually have fuller ezgizo zokuthi uma uqede ukudla lenyama neKFC uya ekamereni lakho kumele ukhuleke, you are unable to sleep, and you start thinking ukuthi that is another sign and symptom yokuthi ingelosi around that's why you're not sleeping. No, uphethwe iheartburn. You are being disturbed into your flesh, and you start feeling ukuthi ngathi ngaphepha yazi lento iyakhuphuka la ukuthi sifuwa fanele uprofite. No, you heartburn. You need to understand ukuthi udle ama spices, waphuza leya wine ofara yona, waphuza ne coke, awathola ki moya
uthole ki heartburn.
You understand? And sorry, we are trying to assist in that as well, to say medically let us actually try to get to guti as until we tone them down. And actually we get into a space where guti ngiyayithanda KFC, but it's self-control must gene moyeni. Are you able to resist le nto boyithanda? Masokwazi ukuthi ungasayiki umuntu wakho, ungasahlebi, ungasakhuluma amanga, stop being involved in groups, uzokwazi ukuresistana. So also in food as well, it's also a point yokuthi, do you have self-control? Are you able to resist certain things? That is why we would cut off certain food so that it's system yakho spiritually. You are also able to connect. Why ngisho kanjalo? Because ingaphakathi lakho will not be disturbed or hindered by a heartburn, by ihlaba elivelayo because bophuza icoke, and you know exactly ukuthi ama energy drink nama coke akwenzela ihlaba. And you start saying ngizwa ngathi ingelosi yakhuluma energy drink. Akunangelosi energy drink. You understand? Because you need to understand ukuthi we are trying to hinder them ukuthi uzithole kahle, izwakale kahle. Moving away from that. Anything ufuna ukuyikhuluma ebalekile kuphathana nokuthi abantu are fasting. Ngicela uzungizwe kahle angiyiphikise into eqedwe kuyisho. Are fasting and bayincisha ama KFC, bayincisha ama pizza. Oh Jehovah, bayincisha konke kumnandi, which is good. And they are praying by visa with Daniel fasting 6 to 6, 12 to 3, 14 to 28, whatever hours depending, dry fasting, fruits only, this and that. You understand? Kodwa iplate energy yehla amafutha omkhodu inzondo, ukubambelana amaqhubu, ubufebe ubuthakathi, ukungazwa. Ufastelana why ungadli KFC? Because your inner plate already ilengelela amafutha engwe ithamile, because we say in Sotho hamukhodu ubethethe moya ibali mafura. Do you understand that? So sometimes uzewangena ku fasting wajula nkosi yami kanje yazi waqoka izambatho zikamoya. What is happening in the inner plate? No matter uyidli KFC, because when we are fasting we are not only dealing with the physical food that we are looking at, the inner plate enenyama ebizwa nzondo on the corner, ene beetroot ebizwa grudges and forgiveness, ine green salad ebizwa ubufebe, inama beans on the side ebizwa ubuthakathi, ine rice elibizwa gossiping and lying, ine papa eceleni ebizwa all of that. It means ukuthi noma ungayekela ukudla, wayekela whatever it is, wangadli wathi uyafasta, mawunenhliziyo embi uyafana umuntu odlayo, sifonele sikodela ukudla. Because uyadla. No, because uyadla, you are full. You are full. We are not fasting for the sake ukuthi ukudla sikubona ngamehlo. That is why abanye abantu that are chronically ill and you see ukuthi they cannot stay away from ukuthi bangadli, they are taking medication, they are still able to fast ngoba into enkulu akusuka ukuthi udle iKFC, into enkulu ukuthi they were pure in heart.
Wow.
They were pure in heart. Bebalungile bayenze ngenhliziyo ehlengekile. Then it's fine, have your tea, have your bread, have your KFC as long as your heart is pure.
Wow. My Munchies, yiba nenhliziyo enhle, inhliziyo emnene, inhliziyo ehlanzekile because ezinye izinto sizivala thina ngezinhliziyo zethu ezingalungile. And please zibuze imibuzo. Please investigate your inner.
Your inner man.
Before anything else. Thank you so much. Now, let's go here. Can we talk about izithunywa? I heard ukuthi izithunywa zihlukene kaningi. Mhlawumbe uma educator in the Munchies ngokuhluka kwazo nemisebenzi yazo eziyenzayo and how do they connect with us ngokuhluka kwazo?
Izithunywa messengers, right? Izithunywa, we get that word. It means ukuthi sikhuluma ngento or ngomoya womuntu othunyiwe. They differ in this aspect. Kunezithunywa ezi-inheritiwa nge-bloodline or lineage. Then kunezithunywa okhona ukuthi usithole or us-inherite, nge-divine intervention.
Oh, yeah. Should I say my cause?
No, it's okay.
Okay, you can proceed then.
You understand that? So, anything that has got to do with isithunywa, okokuqala, ukuhlanzeka. Uyangizwa phathanani? Ukuhlanzeka kwenhliziyo. Probably I need to actually explain again. Sikhuluma ngani mase ukuhlanzeka? Angikhulumi ngesipeke esimhlophe nangebhadla zakho osigcokayo zikamoya. Ngikhuluma ngenhliziyo, uphethe nenhlizweni yakho. You can say nginesithunywa, but umuzonda unamanga. Cacisa kahle nginesithunywa sobumnyama. Because isithunywa sokukhanya asizondi. Isithunywa sokukhanya stays away from anything that is negative. Awukwazi ukufeka uthakathe uthi nginesithunywa sokukhanya. Unaso kodwa asikhanyanga for as long as ukwazi ukuhleba ngabanye abantu. For as long as ungakwazi uxola, for as long as uqhubeka wenza ukube empilweni yakho. I don't know what negativity you might be doing, applying ukuthi ubulala abanye abantu kunamathuna ayingaki ngegama lakho while uhlezi kwithathi lokuthi nginesithunywa ufaka amajazi wakho konkamoya, but umsebenzi wakho kahle kahle ukuthi uhamba nesithunywa sobumnyama. So kunesithunywa sokukhanya, kunesithunywa sobumnyama, kunesithunywa inherited nge-bloodline, kunesithunywa through divine intervention. Kunesithunywa when we come to bloodline, kuye kwenzeka ukuthi bekunabo khona bomkhulu or whoever in your family that used to be deeply bejule emkhulekweni. Everything that they did it through prayer. Bebakhuleka, bebangena emkhulekweni, benza all of this in a way yokukhanya. We understand? And then when they are coming through to you, baza nga the very same way yomkhuleko. So you asked me, how do they connect? In the very same way, for you to be able to connect and understand ukuthi le ngelozi evelayo yingelozi bisebenza ngani, you would need to be working the process because you got signs with symptoms ezithi kunomuntu osondele okhulekayo, kunomuntu osondele ojulayo in fasting, kunomuntu osondele in worship and in whatever it is. You get signs and symptoms masevela or evezwa already uyazi ukuthi ngihambela endleleni yokuthi lokho kwebesondela kwa umuntu okhulekayo.
So that's a bloodline.
That's within the bloodline as well. Naye enye abantu abayisabayo. Abantu abakwazi ukuthi nginomoya or nginesithunywa enakuna khehlela hamba nami. Enakuna sithunywa that I'm going to claim. It's divine intervention. Kuvele kwathethwa kwagqitywa kwakhethwa. Khona le puo ering modimo o kgetha ngalo. Ngalo ke sebaka or kapa ke tulo indawo e halalelang. Akhethi gender or age. Ukhetha ngalo. Ngalo is the same place that I told you about. Ukhetha pele. So baratwa go possible ke tshwaro ke moya ke be le sethunywa kodwa isithunywa sami ngingasho ukuthi ngoba ngihamba nogoqoli. It's just spiritual intervention. Ngithunyiwe ngokukamoya to get messages from the spiritual realm. Ngithunywe ukuthi ngikhuleke, ngithunywe ukuthi ngifike ngi-intercede, ngithunywe ukuthi mangifika kuphi ngibusise kungena gogo, because we actually feel ukuthi uma nginesithunywa la ngithi akuna gogo khona akusiso sangempela ngoba nizongijaja. Uma ngithi nginesithunywa fanele hlisi ngithi because sihla konkhulu wakhe. That is why abantu bane stress. Ngiyaqoyisa umexoli bento lingilo leli tsoko bontata ka hore ke tsamaya le bang hey maybe kunomoya ofike kuwena wakhetha namhlanje akuna ntata hawo akuna ntata mogolo hawo akuna mama akho. The spirit just landed upon you. Stop stressing. The reason you are not aligning and getting to understand who you are, usafuna nendawo ethi kabo mama kabo baba umkhulu muphi igama lakhe lokuphi, let's say akuna gogo akuna mkhulu. It's just spiritual intervention. It's just divine power that has decided ukuthi ibe khona. Ngingasho ukuthi akukhonakali kumuntu wesithunywa mina. Do you get that? But I also have my elders as well. But angifuna ukuthi abantu all the time xa ukuthi for ukuthi isithunywa sephile fanele ukuthi you are also attached to enye into ethize. Basaba ukuthi nginomoya nje kuphela kodwa akuna gogo ngilayilile. Nginomoya but akuna into ethi ngihamba nekhehla thizeni. It's just divine intervention. Kuyenzeka bafowethu and akumele ukuthi sinqabe. Right? When we speak of divine intervention as well, le mimoya le ihlukahlukene. That is why sinengelosi yentaba, ingelosi yamanzi, ingelosi yama caves, ingelosi yasehlane, ingelosi yelanga, ingelosi yemvula, ingelosi yomlilo, of the wind, ingelosi yendlela, ingelosi ya whatever it is. I think you get to good lento ezimeshelayo izinto zika nature ne.
Yes.
This is where they draw energy. That's why umuntu ohanjiswa intaba kakhulu kuthiwe mhlamile uye kothabe unalingelo ilathaba because kimo iluri lingelo ilathaba lephila teng haholo. Because udraw so much within kothabe, redrawing from kothabe akuna botokoloshi no magic lapha. There's nature, there's life, there's energy there. You don't just get entabeni bese ubone ngathi ngitlathola sihlala seyitseng ebesimpe energy. But mawunengelo senjalo kuzovele kuphileke already. You understand? Kunengelozi yamanzi, kunengelozi yasehlane, as I had said. So they differ, but as an individual, ubizelwe kuphi and then ubizelwe ini, and then ku possible ukuthi you can be embodied by all of those ingelozi zahlukahlukene. But make sure you understand ukuthi I get energized intaba isithunywa sentaba siba energized because sithepe antu elokunje entabeni or etsheni or emhlabeni thizeni esemvula sithepa because I use water in this sense as well.
Well, you know, just something when I'm driving to work in Pretoria, I love to drive alone, and you know when I see greens, my heart will like. Even when I come back, like the road I use, it's got trees, and I love to drive on that side because I think that's where I also find peace.
Can I tell you something? At least people would avoid that and feeling that akuna moya that you connect with. That's why. Ngoba awumentionanga into enomoya enengelosi enedlozi phakathi ene lento awutshelwanga uspiritual somebody thizeni bese uyayinyatsa uthi mara ngoba kunamuntu oyewayimention ukuthi kuphathelana kanenge uzo understand ukuthi mawudlula ngaseyihlahleni kunento khona uvela uyinyatse kwena. But that is very deep. That is very deep because you get to understand where you would draw your power from. You get to understand ukuthi how much of strength would you get from just nature, from kulesa sihlahla, from etsheni, from emanzini. And I'm telling you one thing, there's gonna be a sign or a certain movement. Awuyigibela intaba ngokujwayela. Uzoyigibela, but there's gonna be something that speaks to you. Uzodlula as you say you will be driving by. Kuzoba nento ekhuluma nawe. Imagine before you can even dip yourself kwenzakaleni, there will be communication that you get through your whole body. Noma ungavele uzwe nje ukari utswa abaphifo or kampa hotsala, there is gonna be communication. But we always want ukuthi for it to make sense. Kusho umeqoli ngoba umuntu kamoya. Usuke wa try wena wa understand ukuthi what is it that I connect with uma mhlambe ngibheke ingelozi zami.
I think our minds are transformed or it's like mawubona labantu abagqoka amabhayi. You've got that thing with the right one, or but like Pika as you're saying, like whatever that comes in your mouth, we're like, okay, Gandhi, at times just listen to yourself and just.
That's what singaphili pathanana. Asisaphili impilo ye-individuality of you having to understand yourself. Siphila in a space where ubani uthe, and then because wonke umuntu wenza lokhu. Can I just quote something from the
No
Bible?
problem.
Kunevesi le ethi, there was a man that was disabled for 38 years. He sat by the poolside of Bethesda, right? And it konke around humikoro ena imihlanu, abanye bangaboni, abanye bephuka iqolo, whatever it is that they were going through. The reason I laphana is because wonke umuntu uyalapha. Ufuna ukuzwe kahle. I know that I'm gifted, but angeke ngizibuza ukuthi ngahlela yipi, but wonke umuntu uyeBethesda. But ubani othe nawe for ukuthi into yakhe iphile fanele uyeBethesda. Ubani othe ze ubonakala ukuthi ingelosi yakhe iyaphila fanele ube nesiphike esibovu njengesikamaxolo. But sesiphila life yokuthi ngoba wonke umuntu waya kolitheng la Bethesda. Re utlwile ba re bophelo boteng halinelo le fuduwa letsa. Re utlwile ba re mang le mang ya kenang pele. Wa fa re utlwile ba re wena o utlwileng in regard with your own understanding. That is why the Bible says uJesu mefika uthola indoda ingekangeni. But this time hasaberekisa ku utlwile ba re uthola uniform entsha ethi ukarata nka o yetsetsang o re ke batla o fola ba batla ukuthi abasho ukuthi okay fine for hore o fole line ke wonke umuntu uyathwasa wonke umuntu ufaka isambatho wonke umuntu ufaka 1 2 3 4 o re phutha mala wa o tsamaya mara phathanani why beka lapha because sazi ukuthi wonke umuntu uthi for ukuthi bene ngeno sifana ufaka ijazi for ukuthi ukuthwasa kwakho kube verified fanele sihambelana. This is where we are at. For it to make sense fanele ukuthi siyenze kanje. Not all of us are supposed to be dressed in anything. Not all of us are supposed to be using candles. Not all of us fanele sibe neyiphika. Not all of us are supposed to be going entabeni. But siya entabeni ngoba omunye wathi ngaye entabeni zavuleka izinto zami. Ubani othe uye entabeni wena? Ubani othi ze eyakho into izokwenzeka mawungaye emanzini? You've got your own encounter and your own word. That's why wathi maqeda ukuhamba even his direction changed. Laba bayangale wahambisa indlela yakhe because there was an understanding yokuthi you hear your own word, you feel and experience your own encounter, and then you walk and journey on and embark differently. No uphathana ngakujudge athi ayenziwa kanje, but mina ngizwe izwi lithi and I'm not afraid to use this candle ngoba ngizwe izwi lithi. But all of us are walking bohle bathusiwa mola. Sithwasa ngobohle bathusiwa mola. Bohle ba re ha o thwasa o tla phasa ko sekolong. Ha o thwasa ba re o tla kra business. Ha o thwasa ba re o tla kra tšhelete. Ha o thwasa ba re aibo.
Okay, Mama. Are you done with it too?
Yes.
Okay. I saw your show, Sonke Sinomoya.
Oh yes.
Tell me, why Sonke Sinomoya? Do we all have Moya Vel?
Sonke Sinomoya.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't know what we acknowledge that. Thank you so much.
Well.
Sonke Sinomoya, ikhuluma ukuthi we are all spiritual beings. And I would always say ukuthi omunye umuntu believe ukuthi umuntu masinomoya ke anespeaker or a prophet. But all of us are born physically and spiritually.
Okay.
Uyangizwa?
Okay.
Whether you embark on your journey, whether you recognize that you are chosen, whether unesiphiwo sibonayo, it means wonke umuntu une-purpose.
Yes, yes.
And then uma isho kanjalo ayisho ukuthi umhlaba wonke fanele ukuthi uyothwasa. Isho ukuthi each and every day when we wake up in the morning, kumele sazi ukuthi umoya usilidela towards kuphi in regard with our purpose. Hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe fanele uphahla ofana nobani. What is your purpose? Ngoba we are all spiritual beings. Noma ungeke uzuthwase, noma ungeke uzibende isambatho sakho sikamoya, there is spiritual communication directed to all of us. And then if awinagi uzoyazi njani into eshiwo kuwe umoya. There is just no way we can live physically. Our life differs siphila kabili, physically and spiritually. And we always have to understand ukuthi as much as physically sikwazi ukuthi siphile in this way, spiritually we've got communications that are actually coming through. And akusho ukuthi for ukuthi ube nomoya, as I said, fanele ukuthi uthwasile. Now you've got a spirit in you. Kunomoya ophila kuwena. Everybody unomoya. Sonke sinomoya bafowethu.
Sonke Sinomoya. But you only gave us one episode.
It's coming.
You see, I check you. I saw.
Thank you so much for watching.
Please do give us.
Yeah.
I'm 100% sure that we learn a lot.
You learn a lot,
we
right?
We learn every day because I really enjoyed that episode. Yes, but yeah, no. No. Not saying it's.
No, I get what
you get me.
Yeah,
I'm not saying there is anything bad.
I get
no,
you.
I will never discredit anyone. The episode was beautiful. As I'm saying, please give us more because siyasutha nathi emoyeni.
Amen.
Anyway, your word of wisdom.
My word of wisdom. Enkosi yami. We are living in a generation that has changed. Ngizama ukuthi ngibe short. We are within a space where yabona lo moya esikhuluma ngawo. Udlangile nosukume kakhulu nosukume ngamandla. To an extent yokuthi nabantu abasha abasazi ukuthi benze ngempilo zabo nabantu abadala abasazi ukuthi benze ngempilo zabo, and there's this ukuthi baxhasa bonke banedlozi bonke because kunento ephakamile kamoya emele ukuthi inakwe. So I want us to be within a generation and a wisdom and understanding. So my words of wisdom ukuthi bana ba ko ha ekare ka ipatla ra iphumana so that re ka fola. And for as long as we cannot find ourselves, there are other corners within our lives that will never be healed. Ngoba sidinga nendlela yonke or isizwe sonke because asizithola ukuthi singabobani. And yes, you are not sleeping at night, and yes, things are slangani, and yes, uzubhlungu, you don't understand what is actually going on. Yes, it is because of kunomoya or kunentutu esukumile efuna ukuthi omunye nomunye umuntu azithole phathanani ene azazi. And for you to be able to understand yourself, you need to tap into spirituality and understand who you are and where you belong. But for as long as uyanabo or ubuya nabo or umile uthi abanye bayawela awazi kwenzakalani, we are going to get a list ende yabantu abasha bayibulalayo, abantu abasha abangene kuma drugs, abantu abasha that have given up in life, abantu abasha even wonke umuntu ongazi ukuthi enzele ngempilo yakhe, in relationships kuyaliwa, in marriages akunanto elungayo, because we cannot align and be able to connect with the right spirit. Imimoya or umoya usukumile, then nemimoya ihlangahlangene, and then if we cannot align and find ourselves, sizozithola sifile siphila.
Wow. My Manchis, I want to say thank you so much for your support, your love. You guys are really amazing. And of course, I want to tell you guys that my second book, you can pre-order now. It's called It End in Purpose. When you read the book, you'll understand why the title End in Purpose. And I want to say thank you so much. On My Own is a best-selling book. And I want to say thank you so much. And you can still get On My Own. And I'm not done. I'm busy writing and other things as well that are coming because umoya uvumile. There's a song you need to say. Hey, Giyavuma. I love that song. Yes, you can just do it. But on that note, my Manchis, it's a wrap and goodbye.
Hey, Giyavuma. Benzi senkosi yam, hey nkeze
ungikezisise ngibe muhle nami
awuyebo ngiyavuma
yebo ngiyavuma. It's a wrap. Goodbye, darlings.
Bye bye.